Hey, let's draw an onion. First, let's do the eyes. We're going to do long oval shapes. And we'll fill it in and leave a little shine mark on the bottom. Then we'll do his not impressed face with a curved line pointing down and another curved line underneath to suggest a bottom lip. Then we'll do the arms with some straight lines and some little sausage shapes for the fingers. Then we'll do the other arm, straight, and then angle it down with sausage shapes for the fingers again. Then we'll do the bottom half of the body. His body's basically a circle shape. And then we'll do the legs, angle it straight down, bend at the knee with a oval shape for the shoe. And then we'll do the other leg the exact same way and do the shoe and the rest of the bottom leg. But the top are basically just kind of straw shapes. That's the green part of the onion. And then we just do a few little zigzags where it attaches to his head. At the very, very top, there's an oval of that tube shape. And then we'll do another one on the side. We'll do 4 of them. And we'll vary the length a little bit just to make it more interesting. And there we'll do the last one. We're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.